Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to show you how to build and run simple bash scripts. We'll also introduce and use the bash variable path. The path variable is critical if you want to call your script from anywhere on the file system. If you simply want to see the three main steps for creating scripts, jump to this time code here. But if you want to see the why behind every step, which will help you troubleshoot future scripts, then stick around and let's jump right in. The most common reason to write a script is because you have a block of shell code or a long piped command that you don't want to retype each time. Now this piped command is showing all listening sockets and the processes behind them. It will also create a custom table with only the information I care about. Now I don't want to memorize this command, so I'm going to save it into a file in my home directory and call the file with the bash command. Now technically this works and we're done. We have our script. But there's a lot of limitations. For starters, if I move into another directory, I can't simply rerun this command. I now have to remember the complete path to the script, wherever it is. Also, I can't call it directly by name from anywhere on the file system. Another clue this isn't going to work is that I also cannot tab complete the command. And even if I do specify the complete path, I still can't run it directly. So what the heck is going on? Well, to call your script like any standard Linux command, that's where the variable path comes to the rescue. So how does the path variable work? Whenever you type any command, the shell looks through a list of directories defined in the path variable to find the command you are trying to run. The list is colon separated, and it looks through each one until it finds the first match. Also, the tab complete feature will work, signaling to you that it can find the command you are looking for. If you need to see the directory the shell actually found your command in, use the which command. Therefore, because our script is in our home directory, which is not listed in our path variable, we can't call it directly. Nor can the which command find it. And nor can we tab complete. So the simplest fix is to move our script to one of the directories listed in the path variable. I'm going to choose user local bin, which is a system folder, so you will need sudo or root permissions. Now our shell should find our script. That's interesting. Our script is in one of the listed directories. Maybe tab complete will work. Let's try calling it directly. So nothing's working. What's going on? Moving your script to one of the folders listed in your path variable is the first step, but not the only step. We also need to add the execute bit to remove the permission denied that we keep getting. Now we have the execute bit set, and notice the file path is also colored green. And now the which command should work. As well as tab complete. In the next section, I'm going to reset, recap, and streamline what we just did so you can use that as a reference to quickly create your own callable script. Notice we are back in our home directory. Now the first step is to create your script file. And I'm going to use a brand new script name to truly reset our demo. Step 2 is to fix your permissions by adding the execute bit. Then step number 3, the final step, is to move your script to a folder listed in your path variable. And now we are golden. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and have a great day.